morning, 12s. I'm Cece.
And I'm Nick.
And this is 12 to be for Monday, May 4th. Please stand and join us listening to the national anthem and reciting the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Timpanogos High School Spring Dance Concert featuring TDT with MDT and Dance 2 class performing is May 7th and 8th at 7 p.m. in the auditorium. Tickets are $5.
Congratulations to our boys tennis team and coaches, Glenn and Candace Zobel. All 7 players will compete at the state tennis tournament. T-Wolves TV spoke with Coach Zobel on their season and their upcoming trip to state playoffs.
So the season went pretty good. We took first in region for the season. The first day of the tournament was okay. We didn't think we'd take region after that, but then towards the second day of the end of the tournament, we did take region first place. It was a big surprise to us, but we were happy we got it. We won it as a team, and we look forward to going to state because all 5 teams are going to state, and we look to do well at state as a team also.
Good luck at state, THS Tennis.
Seniors, if you are doing online courses for graduation credit, there are deadlines you need to be aware of. Seniors taking electronic high school courses must take the final test on or before May 15th. Seniors doing East Shore packets must test on or before May 26th. If you need to take a final test, see Mrs. Katoa in room 601. She is the proctor for all online tests.
Good luck to our sports teams this afternoon. Girls golf plays in the region championship at Talon's Cove Golf Course in JV, and varsity softball take on Timview here at home. Good luck to all of you. For 2 TV, I'm Cece.
And I'm Nick.
Have a great day, 2 Wolves.